Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the area of triangle with adjacent sides determined by the vector a and b is 20. So, area of triangle, you know that the area of triangle is magnitude of a cross b by 2. According to them, area of triangle is 20. So this side we'll write 20 and 20 into 2 will become 40. So magnitude of A cross B is 20. Now look at this. Then the area of triangle formed by the adjacent sides determined by the vector this and this. So we have to find out the area of triangle again. So area of triangle equals half of magnitude of 2a plus 3b, okay, cross a minus b. Be very careful, you know that you are doing cross product. So if you are doing cross product, you are multiplying this with this, so angle between a and a will become 0, so sine 0 will become 0. So 2 times vector a cross vector a will become 0. Then 2 times minus of vector b will become minus 2 times vector a cross vector b. Okay, now we have to play with b. So 3b multiplied with a will become 3 times b cross a. You have to give priority. Okay, so first vector will come first. Then 3 times b cross minus b vector. So again angle is 0, so it will become 0. So magnitude of this. Now if I'll change the direction of this thing, both thing will become a cross b. So it is 1 by 2 magnitude minus 2 a cross b minus 3 a cross b. Okay, so it is 5 times a cross b. So can I take 5 outside? So we got 5 by 2 magnitude of a cross b. The negative thing inside mod makes no sense. Okay, and you also know that magnitude of a cross b is 40. So 5 into 40 by 2, okay, is 100 square unit. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.